All right, Allie. So Shopify reports fourth quarter earnings after the bell on Wednesday. Three key things you're watching for.
Yeah, I think it's important to say off the cuff, Dave, Shopify is kind of hard to make tangible. But I want to say off the cuff that Shopify's business is heavily tied up in areas that we think of as niche, but actually are pretty ubiquitous. So one of those first areas is checkout. Checkout competition is going to get more substantial. Now, what does this actually mean? It means shopper conversion. How do you make it as easy as possible for shoppers to become buyers? And Amazon has actually taken a shot at Shopify. They launched something called Buy with Prime, where if you, Dave Briggs, had a CBD drink Shopify store, you could actually have a Buy with Prime feature on that. I actually think that we're going to hear, what I've heard across the board is that we are going to absolutely hear analysts ask about Buy with Prime if they don't bring it up first. So that's number one, checkout. Seems niche, but is everywhere. Next, new website creation. Now, when you think of website creation, like I've been looking at maybe making a website, and what I've heard is WordPress, GoDaddy, Wix, Squarespace, those are the ones. But Shopify is starting to eat their lunch, particularly in the case of WordPress. You have, for instance, in the last year over year, you have Shopify's share of visits increased to 15% from about 7.5% from GoDaddy, Squarespace, Wix. So new website creation could be an important area for them. Now, the last thing is something that is not hard to make tangible: profitability and price hikes. So Shopify actually last month announced a pretty substantial price update. Yeah. It's basic, for instance, increased from $29 per month to $29 per month from $14 per month. That's a 107% increase. And this is actually expected to improve profitability. Analysts believe there's a real opportunity for Shopify to cash in. The bottom line here is they have a really eclectic world of competitors that only seems to be getting bigger.
They hadn't raised their prices in a long time, but that's a huge increase. They better think that product is really sticky compared to Amazon Buy with Prime, right?
They believe. I don't know if I'm ready to pay for that, to be honest.
Right.
But hey, 14 to 29 for some people, I imagine that's worth it.
Really shocking.
Yeah.
Allie
Sticker
Garfinkle,
shock.
Great, thank you. Appreciate that.